everybody, Dizzy Crafting here with another haul, which is all from Amazon. Just going to get this big box out of the way and then we'll do the other things. There is actually two boxes of these, but no point showing you both because they're both the same. This is what I got, guys. You get 3 in a box, and they're basically to store your 12 by 12s in. So I'm just going to check that it does. And it does. That's what I wanted it for, because my stash is growing and I do not want these pads getting ruined. So I needed some storage solution. Once I've finished filming, I will put them in place and I'll show you how I've got mine stacked up, because it's quite boring but it's also a necessity. I am a big thing about storage, so you'll see quite a lot on about that on my channel. So we're going to grab on with the rest of the stuff. It would make more sense to actually put all the products in together, really. Save on packaging anyway. This, I don't really want to open it because I know it's going to get everywhere. It's basically gold leaf, and then you've got copper leaf, and then you've got silver leaf. And each one has got a sheet in between. I don't know if you could see them, but it literally goes everywhere. So I'm going to need a box to put that in. And I can actually use that in my nail stuff as well. And the other thing is, got 500 tiny brads, all in different colours. So that's what they're like. So let's have a look how much they were and how much the foiling book was. So these brads was $1.99 for the full 500, which I think is really good. Yes, they're really small, but I actually really like them when they're small, to be honest. It's good to have big ones, but it's also good to have the small ones. I love the bright colours as well, and you've got every colour you can think of except metallic, so it'd be nice if I could get some metal-y type ones. This book was $8.99, although I have seen it cheaper, but I could not find it cheaper this particular time. I think I paid $7.99, so, but to me it's well worth it. Let's see what it says. It's 5.5 by 5.5, and it's 300 sheets, so you got 100 sheets of each colour. So this would last a very long time unless you live on gold leaf. This arrived from Amazon as well, so let's get this open. The first thing is this Tombow glue. I've seen a few people on YouTube using this, and it's apparently got it's tacky layer and it doesn't dry properly, so it's really good for lots of things. So I'm excited to try this because I've never heard of it. And then the next thing is I got lots of these corner, like scrapbook corner pieces. So that's what they look like. I'm not too sure. Let me just check my phone how much they were and how many you got. So these were $7.99 for 100 of them, so I'm not going to run out anytime soon. Although I'm sure I got a deal on them, but it's not showing up at the moment. So I got this bag of cogs, and it's all different sizes. There's silver and gold, and it's saying it's 100 grams in there. And these was $5.99. Oh, goodness. So this is a box of grommets, and there was 360 in here. Just get this tape off. You can see there's lots of different colours in here. I actually didn't realise you've got the setter for them as well, so that's good. Although I have been bidding on a Big Bite on YouTube, not on YouTube, on eBay, so hopefully these will fit that anyway. There's a really good multitude of colours. Well, there's actually some silver ones there as well, and there's quite a bit of weight in that. So it's really good that they actually give you that tool, because I didn't realise they did. And the box really closes really well, that lock is really sturdy. Next thing is these keys. So you can see there's absolutely lots and lots of different keys. And there's even more in there, there's some smaller ones as well. I'm really not disappointed in this. This was $7.99 and you got 69 pieces, and I have to say there is a fair weight to it, so it feels solid enough. I actually like the flat at the back as well. I hope like some of them are not flat as well though, because they'd be cool as if there was a lock on a scrapbook. I will post the links as well down below in the description box, just in case if you're interested in these. But like with Amazon, the prices change all the time. So the next thing is these Christmas charms. I bet you're all thinking she's way early. That's if this gets up early enough. This was $7.99, but they actually had a 5% discount on that. And you get 100 mix charms. I'm not sure if they're all Christmas, but I think they are. Like there's a Santa Claus and stockings, a little the barn, whatever it was where Jesus was born. We've got candy canes, trees, and I bet you there's lots of other charms on there as well. I see on the picture there's Christmas trees and all kinds in there. And again, there's quite a good weight in there. So they don't feel flimsy. So the next thing I got was these book plates, and these was £4.41, and you got 50, and the size is a 60 times 17 millimeters, so basically 6 centimeters by 1.7. And again, these are really cool. Be really good on the fronts of mini albums. You could stamp a sentiment in there. I'm really excited to get it going, guys. Next thing is more Christmas charms, but these are coloured, and you get 30 in these, and these was $3.99, which I thought was quite good, especially as they're coloured, so they're really good for kiddies. And again, got a multitude straight away. I'm in love with this snowflake here. It just looks absolutely beautiful. We've got little Father Christmases, little reindeer, Christmas trees, a wreath. There's all kinds there. And you can see there's at least 2 different Christmas tree styles. So the next item, I'm going to need my scissors again. I can just use my tweezers. Oh, and these are some brass corners. Let's see how much these were. Get 40 of these. They are much bigger. I was kind of hoping it was going to be the silver size. I'll just get a silver one so you can compare it. You can see they are much bigger. I actually prefer this size, but I guess if you're doing a bigger mini album, which sounds a bit crazy, then this would come in handy as well. And you got 40 of them for $6.59. And I think the last thing in the box is this Winsor & Newton Pro Marker paper. It's saying it's 75 grams, £20, and it's in A4. And this is what they recommend for using, and you get 50 sheets. So I think that's it for this haul. Like I say, I will put a little picture in of where my scrapbook stuff is. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and take care, and see you soon. Bye.